Next step, let's create types. So if you go to the front elevation and go to create, and click on types. Can you see type names? We have nothing right now. If you click on new type, let's say this one is going to be the shorter one, 100. Best practice, you just add the letters to the side, so you know this is the length, could be the width and depth and height. Now we copy this, Ctrl C. Okay, so this is one type, all the dimensions are correct, height, depth. Now let's create the second type, which is a longer one. New type. Now you can copy, paste, then let's change to be longer. Okay, on the width you change to reflect. Okay, now you can click apply and you can see it's larger. Okay, we have already two types, ZA to extends. Oh, good. And now let's save the file. Another best practice is you always save your files on the same angle, because this is what you see on the thumbnail. It's easier when you're hovering on your library looking for families. So in this case, I'll put the short one, apply, zoom, extends, and I'll put a bit of an angle so you can see exactly how it looks, and then you can save and you can close this file.